Did you know that not all dogs make you sneeze? Poodles, for instance, are known to be hypoallergenic, but it's not just their fluffy, curly coats that keep allergy sufferers breathing easy. Unlike other breeds, poodles have hair that grows continuously like human hair, reducing the amount of fur and dander released into the air. This unique trait means fewer allergens escape into your home, making it a game changer for those battling pet allergies. But here's the twist, it's not just the fur that matters. Dogs also produce proteins found in their saliva, urine, and skin flakes, and poodles happen to produce less of these allergy-triggering proteins. So, if you've always wanted a canine companion but dreaded the sniffles and sneezes, a poodle or other hypoallergenic breed might just be your perfect match. Dive into the world of hypoallergenic dogs and discover how these furry friends can fill your home with love without the allergic tears.